How's it going, YouTube? Today is the day of the tryout of the sawmill. It's a long time coming. I've been working on this sawmill for, what, 4 years? Roughly 4 years?
Yeah, not steady.
Not steady, off and on, making parts. A lot of the stuff we built out of scrap metal and everything. But we did a trial run last night. I got the motor started, had the blade on, tried all that stuff. Blade was tracking good, so the next step is, let's try to cut some wood. Here is a locally sourced, right over the hill, black walnut. Little log we saved back. It's got some real nice crotch figure going to be up in here, hopefully. So let's see if this thing will actually cut or blow up on us or what. I don't know. Never cut it with it before. Let's find out.
Have zero sawmill experience.
Zero sawmill.
Be the first cut I've ever made, we've ever made, it's ever made. If it holds together, done everything we think, checked and rechecked, but I'm sure the weak spots, what we done wrong, is going to show up real soon.
Yeah, we went and greased it and checked bolts and checked this, but I'm sure we'll probably forgot some stuff. But let's try her out and see if she'll cut or she'll fall apart.
Find the weak.
This thing here is bouncing like crazy. Oh yeah.
It's going to have to be tightened up.
It's going to have to be welded.
Alright,
Alrighty guys, let's get a closer look and see what the first cut looks like. There should be a brush right over there somewhere. I got this broom. Look at that, guys. First cut on the band sawmill. Walnut. Looks like it cut pretty flat. Except for the wind kept blowing the sawdust in my face.
Water bottle fell over and broke before it could even use it one time.
The side of it busted out of it. I've never seen that before.
It all fell off the mill and just told you something was going to blow up.
Some pretty wood grain.
Wait a second, let's see.
Now we gotta check the levelness. Damn.
Holy crap. pretty good.
You guys see this shit?
Not bad. There's a little bit I see, but we're not even sure these are exactly
No.
planer, but yeah, because I can see it's up just a hair right there.
But still.
Yeah, it ain't bad. We haven't fine-tuned this baby yet, so far so good. Then we'll get down into that crotch figure.
Now we can drop it down a little bit lower and do another slice and still be out of it.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. I want to try to get a lubricant bottle going here for water because the one we had exploded. Alrighty, friends. I love watching Out of the Wood. He's so much full of information and he's a cool guy. So let's see what this one looks like. This one, you cut it at 1.5 inches. Let me get the... Looks like some pretty stuff. Starting to get a little of that crotch figure in it. Spalting up here. And a big nut here. Some pretty stuff. Get you guys a different angle here. Ooh. Ooh. You guys about fell on me there. Did you see that?
Guys, you better watch it. About fell on your face.
You about fell on the sawmill. Did you see that?
Fell on your face.
Look at that. That's some pretty stuff right there. Huh?
Thing will fall over there.
So it looks like a little bit of water on it.
There's a little bit of soap in there. Yeah, that's a pretty piece of wood already. For a piece of scrap. There's some spalting going on.
Yeah. You see that, guys? That is some pretty figure in there with a little bit of spalting.
You think a 2-inch slap on the next one?
Not that sprayed at the water. Whoopsie.
What's right there?
That's an internal nut that was on this.
That's good.
Pretty stuff though.
This
It
right
will
here
darken up too.
Yeah, this right here is really cool. You can see a little bit of the green in it. This log's been laying for 2 years. See the green in it, but that's...
It will darken up when it gets oxidized with the air.
You need a bowl blank or just a 2-inch slab?
We can just do a 2-inch slab. I could turn these into little coffee stand things or side stands or anything.
Alright, this is a mechanism I'm having to hold on.
The lever's over there and it comes over to this.
And it tightens the belt.
And when you pull this pulley comes up and puts pressure on the belt, which will stop it from rubbing here because we had it when it was on top up here and it was rubbing down here.
So it's not locking into place. I need either put a spring or a notch that it locks over here. You know, so I'm kind of having to saw and hold it at the same time, make sure there's tension on it. Doesn't seem like it takes that much pressure, and I don't see.
Well, the belt is a little bit tight anyways.
Yeah,
it's got a little bit loose. We might get a little bit bigger belt and it might allow this to travel more. Let's take a better look.
I see one.
Ooh. Some worse copy of figure. Where our sweeper goes. Oh, it's over here. gotta bring out the sleeper 10,000. In a minute, Bubby.
Yeah. Okay.
Little boy watching the sawmilling. He's interested.
Yeah, look at
Yep.
the spawning. Pretty cool. I suppose we could afford a bucket of water. It won't get too wet. We're just playing around.
Can you see that, guys? That should get you a better look here.
You want that piece, you say?
He's got some really pretty crotchwood figurine. Down here, sorry if the camera's a little jerky. I don't have the best tripod thing. It's kind of more straight grain stuff. Got a couple little knots and stuff in here, but right here's where
It's the money.
money shot.
That's a nice wood chop. Wood, cut you some steaks.
Alrighty.
Maybe steaks this old Walnut Logan land that 2 years we cut down there.
I was down visiting Tiny there.
Got some fireworks. Ooh.
That stuff's always amazing.
Yeah.
What inside is you can't see, you know.
Yep. Especially get into that crotch figure.
Got some bark inclusion.
Inclusion.
A little bit of rot spot. Yeah, this is. Alright, went through some of that gummed up wood. Kind of cool. A bug coming out of there.
Just put somebody out of the house. Drag up.
Can you lift it?
Yeah.
Right, I mean,
2-inch slabs.
you grab that big for it, just cross it.
There's some of that bad spot. I don't know if you can see it in there.
To get clean piece of walnut. He's mostly looking at the figure. We're gonna just called matching bookends. They join them together. He's going to do a tape tabletop.
Some pretty stuff there.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's got this bark inclusion here, which, well, it's got really pretty stuff in there. Probably enough have to take out and then add epoxy in there, but it's got all the figuring it's in all around it though. That's really pretty. It's got this internal nut down here. Center that is in between here is just
There's
clear.
the first slabs. It turned out really, really well. 2-inch thick, uniform, just almost perfect level. And we haven't even tweaked the bunks or nothing yet. That's just due to watching all the YouTube videos and so many people sharing. I want to thank everybody on YouTube that did that. They just, I mean, I kind of wouldn't have known to look out for some of the things and everything from cooks to, because we use cooks blade guides and they tell you how to set them up.
We started to make our own roller guides and we found out it is not that easy. So we just invested in the people that makes them.
We have to
Good tip right there. If you can't figure it out and you want it to be precise, buy the people that makes them.
Yeah, but these slabs are beautiful. It's just a small walnut log. I don't know.
It's got a lot of you can see some bark inclusion in here and goes down to some pretty crotchwood figure. I know I'm a handheld camera right now, but you know,
Yeah, I was.
it's getting hot today, a little sweaty,
hot in the
but
90s.
I'm addicted already to doing it.
Yeah, I want to saw some more, but we're gonna fix a few things. It's aggravating holding the tension on.
And our
Very
up
fixable.
and down mechanism, lock mechanism. Up and down works perfectly, but locking it in the place where you want to tweak.
It's aggravating how I put a bolt through there and tighten the nut to hold it there. I need a quick pull it, lock, go on, pull it back, you know.
Yep.
Which I can do. It's just yeah. First I needed to know it with sawing. It does.
Even the little cap piece here has got some pretty grain and stuff in it.
Yeah, pretty cool. Small slabs, 2 inch
But
thick.
let's switch you around here.
Better than throwing it away for firewood, that's for sure. A lot of pretty things out of there.
Oh, you can do all kinds of stuff with these.
A lot of the straight grains here, they get turkey call, box call, turkey slate call, just unlimited amount of
Like
walnut.
I said, it had a little bit more bark inclusion than I would expect in there or was hoping for, but it still adds an element where you can add some epoxy if you take that out. And right now, epoxy stuff is really pretty stuff. So,
Slicer Dicer 3000.
Slicer Dicer 3000. If you want us to slice anything for you, we do hams, pork chops, beef, whole cows.
3,000 a slice.
$3,000 a slice.
It took 3,000 hours to get here, or minutes.
But anyhow, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'll have some pictures of the slabs here at the end. And thanks for watching, and thanks for keep watching the updates and stuff. We'll tweak out the saw, and hopefully we'll bring some more sawmill videos for you here soon. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. Later.